Hi, this is Kyle, Enterprise Solutions Engineer at DJI. Let's talk a little bit more about the workflow of Dock 3 and the Matrice 4D on the construction job site. The first step is to be able to capture a rough 3D model of the site. Processing can be done either on the controller or within Flight Hub 2 back at the office. Once the 3D model has been created, we can then click around the asset for it to automatically generate the 3D model for us. At that point, we can go ahead and enter in our own mission parameters, such as distance to our surface, side lap, overlap, and many other characteristics for the mission. Once this capture mission has been created, it can be queued through Flight Hub 2 for the drone to be able to capture all the data needed.